Professional Forex. Connect with the best account management. They will give 50% profit. Link in the comment box. Check it out, guys.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about steel. In this video, I will give some idea to check the steel. So don't skip the video, watch until end. So steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. Steel has high tensile and compression strength and also stand wear and tear much better. Okay, now we will see the uses of steel in building. Steel can be used for various purposes in building.
As structural material in beam, slab, etc. As non-structural material for grill, window, door, etc. In steel, pipe tanks. As reinforcement concrete. Although plain concrete is very strong in compression, but it's very weak in tensile strength. So steel is being used in concrete as a reinforcement as it is equal strong in.
What is reinforcement?
Reinforcement are steel bars that are provided in combination with plain cement concrete. Hence, these structures form steel reinforced cement concrete structure that called RCC.
We will discuss about it deeply in upcoming videos.
Okay, now we will see there are two types of steel bars we are using in construction: toe steel, mild steel. Toe bars are the main steel in column beams. Mild steel are using to join the toe bars.
If you don't know about it, don't worry, I will explain in upcoming videos.
Now I will give some tips to check your steel. Steel length should be 12 meter. You can see in the steel bar there are some rings, so the rings should be proper. If not, just reject it. After that, bend your steel to 180 degree and look at the bend area. It should not be cracks. If you find any cracks, just reject it. Okay, now your steel in 180 degree, there are no cracks. Now you just bend to 135 degree and look at the bend area. It should be free from any cracks. Another test is check the weight. There is a formula to find the weight: d squared over 162. For an example, you have 10 mm of steel bar. So now we are going to check the weight. So the formula is d squared over 162. Here d is 10 mm, so here 10 squared over 162. So weight should be 0.617 kilogram or 617 gram. If not, just reject it.
So these are some basic and important things about steel. When you're going to choose the steel, you just consider about these things. Okay guys, I will see you in next video. Until then, bye bye guys.